Thank you, ma'am, for that wonderful introduction. And everyone, you may now take your seats. Thank you. So, good morning to each and everyone. Good morning. Okay. So, first and foremost, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank my former teachers for inviting me as your guest of honor in this momentous occasion. With such great pleasure, I am able to inspire the youth as they embark on the next chapter of their own journey as Kabataang Pilipino, and to share a few yet simple, powerful pieces of advice that have guided me in shaping a strong future for myself, for the next generation, and to our beloved country, the Bagong Pilipinas. To all the great tent completers, I am deeply honored to be here today to celebrate your wonderful achievement. It's a time for me, a time full of excitement, and also congratulations to your families and your teachers for reaching this milestone in your life. As I look out of all your faces, I can't help but reflect back on my own journey. I remember what it was like to complete the crucial 10th grade and to be able to graduate from college. It's a time for me, a time full of excitement, but also some uncertainty about the road ahead. I came from a humble background where my family had just enough money to get by and where resources were scarce. That, as much as I wanted to have those things, it's just that we don't have enough money to do that. Okay? And also, there were moments when I questioned myself. How would I continue my studies? How would I pay for my tuition? And how would I manage to get by? But despite our financial circumstances, I was determined to study further. It wasn't always easy, though. There were times when I felt overwhelmed by the demands of schools and discouraged by the challenges I faced. Na dati, naaalala ko pa, naranasan ko din pumasok ng walang baon at walang laman ng tiyan. Na yung tipong pambili mo na lang ng pangkain ay itatabi mo na lang para may pang-comply sa mga requirements, sa mga projects and assignment na kailangan ko. Ganyan ako nung nag-aaral pa ako. Isa sa dahilan kung bakit ganoon ang mindset ko ay dahil ayokong matanggal sa pagiging honor. Honor na iniingatan ko simula elementarya. At balang araw, magagamit ko to para maabot ang aking pangarap. Pangarap na isang maging matagumpay na guro. That I want to make my family, my parents, always proud of me. Okay? In this situation, I never gave up. I pushed myself to stay focused on my goals in life and find creative ways to overcome the obstacles in my path. Because at that age, I understood the true meaning of life. Life isn't always easy, that's for sure. There will be ups and downs, success and failures. But I persevered, and if you will, that education was the key to unlocking my full potential. Education is the key that unlocks countless opportunities and empowers us to make a difference in our society. Each lesson learned, each challenge overcome, and each success achieved build the foundation for a brighter tomorrow. Thus, value the education you have received and never stop seeking knowledge in all aspects of your life. To all my dear completers, huwag ninyong hahayaan na ang kalagayan o estado sa buhay ang magdikta sa iyong kinabukasan. Huwag hayaan na ang iyong nakaraan o kasalukuyang katayuan sa buhay ang hahadlang sa iyong pagunlad. Sa halip, harapin ang anumang pagsubok at gamitin itong inspirasyon upang mas magsubikap at maabot ang inaasam sa buhay. Furthermore, the academic journey was not without its own set of hurdles. The late night studying, the difficult lessons, and the challenging assignments and projects. There were moments of self-doubt and exhaustion, but I kept pushing forward, determined to succeed. And you know what? It paid off. I used all these experiences as motivation to become a successful teacher. And I can say that all those sacrifices are worth it. Through unwavering determination and perseverance, I was able to achieve my goals and will continue to achieve more. I stand before you today as living proof that with hard work, perseverance, and a strong support system, anything is possible. I graduated, and you can too. Keep in mind the wise words of Nelson Mandela. It always seemed impossible until it is done. Don't be afraid to dream big and set ambitious goals in your life. Continue to have unwavering faith in your own abilities and to accomplish extraordinary things and in yourself. Notwithstanding the challenges and financial struggles you face along the way, your perseverance and resilience have shown that you are capable of enduring any storm. Laging tandaan na ang bawat kabiguan ay isang hakbang patungo sa tagumpay. As a teacher, I have had the privilege of witnessing the transformation of countless students, watching them blossom into confident, socially responsible, and civic-minded individuals. I have personally seen how education can enable our youth in our country to reach their full potential and develop into the leaders and change makers that our nation desperately needs. Before I end my speech, completers, let us not forget the people behind your success. May I request all the completers to please stand and follow my instruction. Completers, look out to your friends and give a salute. And also, look out to your teachers. Then give a salute as well. Give a salute. Yes. And, of course, to your parents, to your guardians, give a salute. And shout, thank you for everything. Thank you for everything. Finally, completers, let us give a big round of applause to them. And with the support system of these people, you are here and ready to conquer the next journey of your life. Everyone, you may now take your seats. Thank you. So, completers, as you move forward from this day, never forget that success is not just determined by your academic standing and financial situation. True success lies in your ability to overcome challenges, embrace opportunities, and remain resilient in the face of adversity. Remember, you hold the power to shape our country's future, and I have no doubt that you will rise to the challenge and create the bagong Pilipinas that we all long for. Because of your dedication, your resilience, and your unwavering love for our country, be proud of how far you have come and remain steadfast in your commitment to be the kabataang Pilipino, paving the way for a matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Once again, congratulations, completers! The future belongs to you. Mabuhay ang kabataang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. May God bless us all. Let us give
today's event.